Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Steam Mop Pads is probably one of the most convenient cleaning tools for your home. Steam mops offer a powerful way to sanitize floors without harsh chemicals. But, to keep your floor sparkling, you need to replace those pads. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Shark Steam Mop Replacement Pads S3601, exploring what makes them tick and how to choose the right ones for your cleaning needs. Number 5. Flammi Steam Mop Replacement Pads for Shark. These pocket mop pads are designed to perfectly fit your Shark Steam Mop. They are easy to set up and compatible with various Shark models. This ensures a hassle-free cleaning experience. Made with 80% polyester and 20% polyamide, these pads are built to last. The double-sided microfiber design effectively removes dirt and grime. It helps you clean your floors with ease. The sandwich mesh lining promotes efficient steam release. This feature allows the pads to effectively remove tough messes. It also helps trap and lock pet hair. These mop pads are machine washable, allowing for repeated use. They are suitable for various floor types, including wood, tile, and laminate. Using these pads helps you save money and reduce waste. Please note the size of the mop pad is 12.6 by 7 inches. It is not compatible with Shark XL Head or Genius Liftaway Pro Steam Pocket Mop. Make sure it fits your model before purchasing. What we like. This pad offers a perfect fit for your Shark Steam Mop, ensuring easy installation. Its double-sided microfiber design enhances cleaning efficiency. Moreover, the mesh lining allows for easy steam release, making cleaning more effective. If you are looking for a pad that combines ease of use with superior cleaning performance, you should consider this one. What people say. These covers fit my Shark Professional Steam Mop, model #S3601, perfectly. Soft, plush, and with built-in scrubbers. The covers clean floors well and wash up great. Number 4. Flammi Steam Mop Pad for Shark Steam Pocket Mop. This replacement pad is designed to perfectly fit your Shark Steam Pocket Mop. It easily attaches with a hook and loop strip. It is compatible with a wide range of Shark models. The double-sided microfiber pad effectively removes dirt and grime. It scrubs without scratching your floors, ensuring they stay in great condition. You can use it without harsh chemicals. This pad enhances your steam mop's performance with strong water absorption. It dries quickly and effectively removes tough messes. It also helps trap and lock in pet hair. These steam mop pads are machine washable, allowing for repeated use. This helps you save money and reduces waste. They are suitable for various hard floor types. Please note that this is a standard size pad, measuring 12.6 by 7 inches. It does not fit XL mop heads or models with specific rectangular mop heads. Make sure it fits your model before purchase. What we like. This pad provides a perfect fit and features a heavy-duty scrubbing surface, ideal for tackling tough messes. It also excels at removing pet hair. If you have pets or frequently deal with stubborn stains, you should consider this pad for its robust cleaning capabilities. What people say. These covers fit my Shark Professional Steam Mop, model #S3601, perfectly. Soft, plush, and with built-in scrubbers. The covers clean floors well and wash up great. Number 3. Steam Mop Pads for Shark Steam Pocket Mop. These steam mop pads are easy to install and designed to fit your Shark Steam Mop perfectly. They bond tightly to the mop head, ensuring effective cleaning. These pads are compatible with a wide range of Shark Steam Pocket Mop models. You can be sure it will work with your existing steam mop. The microfiber material and texture are designed for effective cleaning. It easily removes stubborn stains, water stains, and other debris from your floors. This product is safe for use on all sealed hard floors. It cleans without scratching or damaging surfaces, keeping your floors looking new. These pads are reusable and durable, offering long-lasting performance. It is recommended to replace them every 2 to 3 months to maintain optimal cleaning. We offer a satisfaction guarantee. If you're not happy with the product, you can get a refund or replacement. What we like. This pad is professionally designed for effective stain removal and easy floor cleaning. It's also reusable, ensuring long-lasting use. If you like a pad that combines professional-grade cleaning with durability, you should consider this one. What people say. They feel really thick and nice, worked great when I used one yesterday. Perfect fit for my Shark floor steamer mop. Don't leave fabric fibers behind, picks up dust well. Number 2. Tidy Monster Microfiber Steam Mop Pads for Shark. Introducing the Tidy Monster Steam Mop Pads, designed to fit your Shark Steam Pocket Mop. These pads are made of high-quality microfiber, ensuring effective cleaning for your floors. They are a great choice for your daily cleaning. These pads are a standard size, approximately 13 by 7.5 inches. Please check your mop head size to ensure a proper fit. It is easy to install and remove. These pads are compatible with various Shark Steam Pocket Mop S3500 series models. They are also suitable for other models. Please check the list to confirm if it fits your mop. Made with top-quality microfiber, these pads offer strong water absorption and quick drying. They are washable and reusable, making them perfect for everyday use. It is a good helper for your housework. These pads are best for smooth surfaces like wooden floors, ceramic tiles, and marble floors. You can also use them to wash your car. Its hook and loop design makes it easy to attach and detach. We are a growing business based in Houston, Texas. Feel free to contact us with any questions. We are always here to help and provide solutions. You can buy it without any worries. What we like. This pad is made with top-quality microfiber for superior cleaning. It's also easy to install, making your cleaning routine more convenient. If you are looking for a pad that offers both quality and ease of use, you should consider this one. What people say. They fit with extra space, so it is a perfect fit. It fits my Shark Professional Steam Pocket Mop S3601. No issues. Did what it's supposed to do. Cleaned up all the gross off my floor. I like the Velcro to make the pad secure. Fits my Shark Steamer S3801C0 better than the pads that came with my Shark and performs well. Number 1. Turbo Microfiber Steam Mop Replacement Pads. These microfiber replacement pads are designed specifically for your steam cleaner. They are a cost-effective alternative to disposable pads, ensuring your floors stay clean. These pads are easily washable in your sink or washing machine. This pack offers great value, saving you money compared to buying individual replacements. Save money with this 4-pack of replacement pads. They are compatible with your existing Shark mopping spray and handle, making them ideal for floor cleaning. These Pro Scrub replacements fit seamlessly with your steam cleaner. They are designed for use with various Shark rectangle pad parts, ensuring a perfect fit. This pack is the ultimate solution for deep cleaning hard floors. It lifts away stains while keeping your floors fully protected. They are a must-have for your home cleaning. Enjoy great value with this 4-pack, a smart choice. Fully compatible with all your steam mop needs, it's the perfect addition to your cleaning arsenal. What we like. This pad is washable and reusable, offering a cost-effective cleaning solution. It's designed for floor-friendly scrubbing, protecting your floors while cleaning. If you like a pad that provides great value and gentle cleaning, you should consider this one. What people say. These work great with my Shark Steam Mop. Fit well, and wash much better than most I have used in the past. They fit great and did a great job cleaning the floor. Easy on, easy off. Do a real good job on getting into the tile and keeping your route clean. And on treated hardwood floors on the lowest steam setting, they do a super job. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.